What's up, guys? Today's video, I'm gonna do JJS because someone wanted me to do a video on it, so I decided, why not? I I played the game a bit. I really like Megumi, potential man. I let's I okay. This guy. Oh, hi, GG's. Oh yeah, combo, wombo. Oh yeah, Toad. Oh yeah. No. Come on, I don't want to lose. No, no, please, no. I was so close. Alright. My friend joined me. Let me one if you want him. Let me find him real quick. I see him. Alright, he's gonna go on his PC first. You there. Let's go. Oh my days. I'm getting quaboodled. Please, R, go in my shadow, go in my shadow. Bang. Is that... Oh no. Of course, go. Of course he's like, is he really done using Gojo? Gang. Oh my god. Say wallahi, bro. I gotta lock in. Let's go. Alright, he's gone. Oh yeah. Please. Okay, now I pop this. No, I do this. No. Why are you running? Bang, bang, bang. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, man. Of course, a third partier. Alright, you know what we gotta do to third partiers? Oh yeah. With this secret treasure, Gang. Dude, I want to hold Maharaga, man. That's not fair. The 2v1. The 2v1 is kind of massive. Oh my days. You... GG's. Dude, that's not fair. Oh my days. Did my guy join back? No. Oh, where's he? Oh, okay. This guy. Let's fight. Gang! Where did that come from? Oh my days, of course. Hop off. Hop off. Genuinely, hop off the game. You suck. Alright. Bang. Um. Can I? Oh, damn it. Aye. Let me lock in. Let me lock in real quick. Bang. And he's gone. Too easy. He's a skeleton. Oh yeah, that's too easy. I'm just like that good. I'm that good, you know. Dude, he's dog. Alright. Alright, for you guys, for this video, if I get over 5 likes, I'll do another video on JJS. So if you like what you're watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright. Where the people at? Alright. Hopefully by the end of the video I'll be able to use Maho-cough. Him. No. He pissed me off. He's not. You think I'm gonna let him off that easy? Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, gang, I helped you out. I helped you out, dang. And that's how you're gonna repay me? That's how you're gonna repay me. Alright. Where's the Miles Morales guy? Or whatever Spider-Man he is. Ooh. Can't I like enter one using my thing? Let me. Nope. Him. Bang. Okay, dude, I don't want to mess with them. Come on, let me in. Let me in. I know they wanna. We're like best friends. Oh, let me get a trash can. Look, bang. Alright. No. This guy. Who does this guy think I am? Oh yeah, he's so cooked. No. And boom. Bang. Alright, Maho-cough. I need to find someone to use Maho-cough on. Please. Him again. Please, I'm begging you. Come here. I need to use Maho-cough. With this treasure, I summon Maho-cough. Let's go. Oh my days. Finally. He's dead. Get over here. He's not really moving, so this kind of sucks, but I don't give a shit that he's not moving. I'm just spamming M1 at this point. Oh, it's him. Bang. It's my friend. He. Oh shit. Yikes. Oh, yikes. Oh, come on. I hate this guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I R to defend. Defend mode. Okay. Okay. Well, that's just cheating. They're cheater pumpkin wieners. Please. Okay. I got my juice back. I'm getting some juice back. Dog back in the void. Oh, yeah. Come on. Now he's dead. He's dead. Oh, that was his attack. I thought that was mine. Yay! I got him. I better get to finding someone soon, or else I'm as dead as he. Why is it so slow? Quick, find someone. Find. Yes, him again. Yes, go. Our rematch will be legendary. I might. If I don't hit him soon, I'm gonna die. Please, 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 please. No, please, no. GG's. Alright, so that's my haraga for y'all. Fight. Oh, it's an emo. Oh, Undertale. Why is he spinning? Hmm. This is why. Oh shit. Feels like the. Nah, nah, nah. Where is he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? Go up. Where does he think he's going? That bomb. How did he? Oh my days. This guy. You. Ouchies. Stop it. That's mean. What the? What just happened? Um. No, no, no. You're cooked. You're cooked. Who does this monkey think he is? Don't tableify me. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Run, 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 run. Oh my days. Dude. Oh, I died. Okay. Trust. This is not a. Ooh. Are you sure? Alright. And. Kobe. Alright, it's Gojo now. Bye bye. Oh yeah? Oh yeah, he's dead. Dog? Doggy, help! Oh no. Oh no. No! Alright. GG's guys. I think this will be it for today. See you guys on the next one. This was I had a lot of fun today. So yeah, 5 likes for a new JJS video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.